Hey y'all, so in today's video I'm going to be making shepherd's pie. If you like this video, like it and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. For this recipe, you'll need ground beef, like 4 potatoes, 1.5 tablespoons of parsley, 1.5 tablespoons of onion powder, 1.5 tablespoons of seasoning salt, 1.5 tablespoons of garlic salt, some frozen mixed vegetables, some bacon, and about 2 cups of cheese. You're also going to need about, I'd say, half a cup of sour cream. You need a cup of milk and 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I know it sounds weird, but trust me, it's good. I'm going to start off by putting the bacon in the oven. You can fry it on the stovetop, but I like to leave my stovetop free for the mashed potatoes. So I'm going to start some water boiling for the potatoes, and then I'm going to get another frying pan and brown up my ground beef. When the water starts boiling, you want to put in your potatoes and start browning your meat. So once your potatoes and your beef is done and your bacon, you're going to start mashing the potatoes. So I'm going to pour in the milk. Add the seasonings.
Mayo.
And then add the mayonnaise. And sour cream. Once everything's in, you're going to start mashing. So I'm going to turn the burner onto a medium heat and just continue to mash these potatoes until they thicken up. And then once they've thickened, I'm going to add the bacon. I'm going to add bacon grease and the cheese, and I'm going to break up the bacon and put it in. Add in the cheese. And then mash it up with the cheese. It'll probably help if you have a bigger pan than what I used. Now I'm breaking up the bacon and putting it in. We're going to preheat the oven at 350. So in the casserole dish, you're going to put in the ground beef. Smooth layer. You're going to put in the mixed vegetables. And you can make sure they're still frozen. Oops. The mashed potatoes. Once your oven's preheated, you're gonna stick it in the oven and bake it for 30 minutes. So you're gonna pull it out of the oven. And you're gonna let it sit and cool for about 10 minutes. There's the finished product.
You know how much I like it?
How much?
1 through 1 quillion, I rate it 1 quillion. You know how much I like it?
How much?
Like 3 quillion.
3 quillion?